Hello, welcome to my channel Chemistry Simplified. I am Nutan Mishra, chemistry lecturer. I am going to simplify solid state. Here in this module, I am going to explain atomic packing factor in body centered cubic unit cell. Shall we see the diagram here? So, atom at the corner and atom at the body, one atom at the body, here A, B, C, D. So, first state is calculation of the radius. Here this distance is equal to A, this distance is equal to A. AB equal to A, BC equal to A. So, what is this AC? Shall we see? According to Pythagoras theorem, this AC square will be equal to AB square plus BC square. Here, this is A square plus A square, we can see here. So it is coming 2A square. AC will be equal to root 2A. Here it is your root 2A. Now shall we see what is this BC? BC square equal to DA square plus AC square. So DA is equal to A plus root 2A square. It is A square plus 2A square, then 3A square. So DC is equal to root 3A. This distance we have root 3A. Moreover, this is R. This distance is 2R, this is R. So this is coming your 4R, that is R plus 2R plus R. We can see here this root 3A equal to 4R. So R will be equal to root 3 by 4A. So this is your radius in case of a body centered cubic unit cell. Next step will be calculation of number of atoms. Shall we see how to calculate number of atoms? Number of atoms. Okay. Contribution by one atom at the corner. Contribution by one atom at the corner equal to 1 by 8. Contribution by 8 atom at 8 corner. Contribution by 8 atoms at the 8 corner. 8 atoms it will be your 1 by 8 multiplied by 8. It is coming 1. Contribution by one atom at the body of the unit cell. Contribution by one atom. Contribution by one atom at the body of the unit cell equal to 1. So total number of atom equal to 1 plus 1, it is coming your 2. Now shall we see the third step? How can we calculate atomic packing factor? Calculation of atomic packing factor. Shall we see? Third step, atomic packing factor for body centered cubic unit cell. The formula is equal to number of atoms multiplied by volume of atom, volume of atoms divided by volume of unit cell. Volume of unit cell. Number of atoms we have calculated, it is 2. We see here 2 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube by a cube, 2, putting the value of r here, root 3 by 4a cube by a cube. After calculating this, you put the value of pi here, and after calculating this will be coming your 0.68. That is your atomic packing factor of body centered cubic unit cell. As per atomic packing efficiency is concerned, multiply it by 100 and it will be coming your 68% is packing efficiency in case of a body centered cubic unit cell. Thanks for watching my video. Must like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. Thank you.